Hi y'all, I've got a new recipe that I'm going to try out that my granddaughter Marissa, Life with Mars, made me when I was in Texas with her, that I am going to try out. So I hope y'all will like it. It is roasted carrots with feta, the feta cheese. So I am going to carry y'all along and let y'all see how to do it. I've prepared a lot of it, so it's a lot easier, so you'll know what to do. It's carrots, and you can get the big carrots if you want. I got the smaller carrots because I like the smaller ones better, and I cut them in half. And you take some parchment paper and just put it on a cookie sheet, and this is how it looks. I just lined them here, but I got a mixture here in the bowl here, and I'll read off to you what I put in here. I've got 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons of honey, a teaspoon of water, 1 clove of garlic minced, and then salt and pepper to taste. And I put that all in here, and then I'm just mixing this around. And then we're going to drizzle this all around here. Whoop. I quit making a mess here. Alright, let me see if I got y'all set up for you. Let's see. Or I can drizzle this over the carrots. Let me get a brush. Brush this on here so that it gets all of them on here, so they're kind of coated. Maybe I should have took the brush and coated it when I was doing it. It's a live and learn. I didn't watch Marissa do this when she was doing it, but she was pampering me when I was up there. I just enjoyed the food, but this was so good, and I told her, I said, baby, I want this recipe. This is so good. So I told her that I would video it for y'all. So, because it's real simple. So anyway, then after we do that, it says to top it on the carrots. Let's see, then we're going to bake it. Oh, and we have the oven preheated for 425, and we bake for 20 to 25 minutes, and stir them halfway through. Remove the carrots from the oven and top with crumbled feta and fresh dill, and then serve immediately. So I'm going to put these in the oven now, and then I'll bring you back and let you see how they look. Okay? So we'll be back in a little bit. Oh, I'll show you I don't have fresh dill, so I've got this, and this is what I'm going to use. Marissa had fresh dill. And then here's the feta cheese. So we'll be back in a little bit. Looking good. I took them out. Now let's put the feta cheese on it. and the dill. Have to crumble this up some. You put as much as you want. Your discretion. Y'all know how I am about cheese. So a tablespoon of this. Makes it look pretty, don't it? I don't think I really need that much of it, so I'm not going to put a whole thing of it on. I'm going to put more back in here. So I don't have that much. What do y'all think? Isn't it pretty? Alright, we'll let it finish cooking. Another 10 more minutes. Well, really 15 because I took it out 15. Anyway, 10 to 15 minutes. There they are. Might should have pulled them out about 5 minutes sooner. But that's them. They are done. Everybody's oven's different. The only thing is the cheese and not parsley flakes, but I forgot what the name of the flakes was I just put on here, but y'all know what it was. Anyhow, that's what looks burnt right here. But they are done. So, let's taste them. They got a good flavor to them. So, the carrots are done, and they are real good. So, and everybody's oven's different too. So, I was busy cooking other supper. I have dill. The dill is what it was I was trying to think. I get old, I can't think of the stuff. But anyway, the dill is what it was. This is good. I got, I cooked, I mind the mess over here, but I was cooking some deer sausage and macaroni and cheese put together. And then I got some field peas over here with bacon. Well, that looked good. Some snaps. That's to go along with supper tonight. So, anyhow, that's what I've been doing. So that's the meal. I would plate it up, but y'all, I'm tired. Just thought I'd let y'all see. Y'all know how I get tired. But I'm gonna close this up for right now. Go sit down and rest a little bit, and then Pops is out there working. He's not ready to eat yet anyhow, but at least I got supper ready, and it'll stay hot. If it don't, we got the microwave anyhow, but at least it's ready. But I did want to get this video out to y'all, and or at least get it filmed, and I'll get it edited as soon as I can. But I hope y'all are having anyway, I did want to at least talk to y'all, and I hope that y'all are having a blessed day. And I miss y'all. I have been so busy this week, you know, with the crafts and all that I've been doing. But so I got a lot of videos fixing to come out soon. But I'm still got a busy weekend this weekend coming up. But that's all right. You know, Nana stays busy. Always on an adventure doing something. But as always, I love y'all to pieces, and y'all have a blessed day. And don't forget to hit the like and the share and the notification bell, and watch my videos. Go back and watch my videos and all. And I love y'all. Mwah!